Welcome back to Handy Home Hub, the sanctuary for every homemaker. Today, we unravel the intricacies of mastering the art of laundry, turning this oft-dreaded chore into a swift, seamless task. With a sprinkle of organization and a dash of the right techniques, behold as we transform mountains of dirty clothes into neatly folded stacks of freshness. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay tuned for more home magic. Now, let's tumble into the laundry realm. The laundry room is more than just a chore zone. It's where your clothes get a fresh lease of life. However, when faced with towering piles of dirty clothes, it might seem like a daunting task. Today, we're here to wash away those laundry blues with a streamlined routine that's as smooth as your silkiest fabrics. Bid adieu to the laundry dread and say hello to an efficient, manageable routine. Step 1. Pre-sort your clothes. Kickstart your streamlined laundry journey by pre-sorting your clothes. Having separate hampers for whites, colors, and delicates makes laundry loads ready to go. Every garment tossed in the right basket is a step towards a fuss-free laundry day. Hint: label your hampers for a visual reminder, making sorting a no-brainer. Step 2. Schedule your laundry days. Carve out specific days for laundry to prevent an avalanche of clothes from piling up. A scheduled routine transforms a daunting task into a manageable, regular activity, keeping dirty clothes from taking over your space. Tip: set reminders on your phone to keep you on track with your laundry schedule. Step 3. Equip your laundry room. An organized laundry room is your ally in the war against dirty clothes. Equip it with the essentials, placing detergents, stain removers, and other laundry aids within arm's reach, ready to tackle any laundry challenge that comes your way. 1. Hint: keep a stash of essential supplies so you're never caught off guard in the middle of a laundry session. Step 4. Use the right tools. Arm yourself with the right tools to combat every laundry hurdle. From stain removers to laundry baskets and quality ironing equipment, having the right arsenal makes the process smoother and quicker. Tip: invest in quality over quantity. Durable laundry tools save you time and money in the long run. Step 5. Delegate when possible. Share the load, both literally and figuratively. If you share your abode with family or roommates, distribute the laundry tasks. It lightens the load and fosters a sense of shared responsibility. Hint: create a laundry schedule for everyone to follow, making the process a team effort. Step 6. Fold and hang immediately. Strike while the iron is hot, or in this case, while the clothes are warm. Folding and hanging clothes straight out of the dryer prevents wrinkles and keeps your laundry room clutter-free and ready for the next cycle. Tip: invest in a clothes folding board to get crisp folds in a jiffy. Step 7. Master stain removal. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to tackling stubborn stains. Have a stain removal guide handy to address common fabric foes like coffee spills and ink blots. Hint: a quick response is key. Treat stains as soon as they happen for the best results. Step 8. Maintain your machines. Your machines are your loyal companions in the laundry journey. Regular maintenance like cleaning lint traps and washer drums ensures they remain in top-notch condition, ready to serve you load after load. Tip: bookmark a maintenance schedule to ensure your machines get the TLC they deserve. Step 9. Embrace laundry tech. Step into the future with smart laundry appliances. Modern machines come with features like quick wash cycles and energy-saving modes, making laundry less of a chore and more of a tech-savvy activity. Hint: explore smart laundry apps that can help schedule wash cycles and offer laundry tips. Step 10. Reflect and adjust. Reflection is the key to perfection. Evaluate your laundry routine, adjust what's not working, and continually streamline the process to match your lifestyle and home dynamics. Tip: stay updated with new laundry gadgets or hacks that might further simplify your routine. Step 11. Discover laundry hacks. Delve into the world of laundry hacks. From quick folding techniques to natural stain removers, discover tricks that can shave time off your laundry routine. Hint: a quick web search or a browse through Pinterest can unveil a treasure trove of laundry hacks waiting to be discovered. Your laundry routine is a canvas, waiting for the brushstrokes of efficiency and organization. With today's guide, transform it into a masterpiece of home management. Share your newfound laundry wisdom or any quirky laundry hacks you have in the comments below. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more homemaking revelations from Handy Home Hub.